I went to two dentists. My first primary dentist, I explained to him how I was having some cosmetic issues where didn't like my smile so much, and I asked if veneers would be an option for myself. And he recommended me seeing two dentists. The first dentist had told me that he felt that I would need braces first. Another dentist the same dentist actually recommended that I possibly go through a jaw relocation, or I guess break my jaw, and I decided against it. Another dentist said that I could get veneers, but he would have to do some major grinding, and that he wasn't sure if they would stay still just because of my underbite. So I went online and I found Dr. Muslin. I watched extensive videos, before and after pictures. I did some research up and down from the last 10 years, and that's why I'm here in California.